So when you think of Montana, everybody thinks of Glacier National Park. But do you know Montana has a whole lot more to offer? We are in northwestern Montana visiting with my dad and visiting with some of his friends. And there's so much to see and do. So I encourage you, if you're coming to Glacier, or if you're not and you just are in Montana, check out Montana Off the Beaten Path. On our first Montana Adventure Day, we drove down the east side of Lake Koocanusa. We stopped at Koocanusa Bridge, the longest and highest bridge in Montana, and then continued south all the way to Libby Dam. It is super windy out here. I don't know how much of this you'll be able to hear. It sounds like a freight train, literally. I have to hold on to my hat. My shirt is just whipping all around, but so nice and refreshing and so beautiful. So I don't think I'm gonna walk the rest of the way across the bridge. I think I'm just gonna stand right here and enjoy the view.
We just found this little recreation area, so we decided to get out and go play a little bit. The kids are having a great time throwing rocks. The temperature outside is wonderful today. This has been a lot of fun.
Another nice thing about random outings like this, just driving around today, is finding a place to have a little snack or a picnic lunch or dinner. So that's what we're doing here. We just finished our dinner. Tonight we found a picnic table and we're overlooking the lake. There's a nice breeze, so it's been really nice. We'll keep driving. Observation platform. All right, let's go down there. Let's see just how much bigger the dam is from this side. Woo!
I think I read that it's 442 feet tall, and it was definitely built by the U.S. Corps of Army Engineers.
Is that how you say it?
Yeah, I'm not
U.S.
sure.
Army Corps of Engineers?
There we go, that's the one. And it's pretty neat. There's nobody here. We have the whole place to ourselves. Super cool.
And up there is where we were. And here we are at the bottom of the dam, and the perspective is totally different. And we look pretty little compared to this thing. And it's neat to have seen it from the top on the other side with all the water, then from the observation deck seeing down to here, and now being down in front of the dam. It's neat that you can do all of that.
Yeah, I think there's one more view for us to go check out right over here. It's starting to get dark, so I guess that's it for our adventure today. At least we are quite a long ways down the lake, and we got a long way to go to drive back. So, good night.
Night.
We made it to the waterfall, and it's gorgeous.
And the kids like nothing more than playing in the river. They could take or leave the waterfall, I think.
Yeah, I
So
think
we love it.
we'll be changing a set of clothes when we get back.
So we're about to head off on another adventure today. We're going to drive along Lake Koocanusa all the way down to Libby Dam. We went down the west side the other day.
East side.
All right, east side the other day, and it was beautiful. And now we're going down the west side. So there is apparently a waterfall hike. Let's go adventure.
On our drive around the lake today, and we found this little fishing access road off the side there. So we decided to stop and get the kids out and play a little bit.
I know. I know you can do it.
We've made it all the way to the opposite side of Libby Dam from where we were the other day. We knew better than to try to fly a drone here, but this is actually the first time we've seen the sign for it. Not here. Let's go find a waterfall. Here we are at the North Fork Creek Falls trailhead on the west side of Lake Koocanusa. And now we just have to get Mr. Nathan here to wake up to come with us.
He's having a slow wake up.
Yeah, he wakes up about as well as I do.
Getting outfitted with hiking sticks. Woo!
You awake?
Trying to climb over a log. Coming over.
Over you go.
Good job. This hike is gorgeous. It's like you're walking up inside of a canyon with these steep walls on either side. It's beautiful. This waterfall is so neat. We really like it.
Now I think we're gonna hike back and go have a little dinner picnic. Well, that concludes our day around the lake. Good night, everybody.
So we're headed out this morning. Actually, it's like midday. We never really get on the road early unless we have to. Just with all the kids and all the packing up, it takes a while. So Kevin is back there hitching up. It's been a really nice visit. There'll be just a little bit more as we head west again from here. We'll catch a couple more things here in Montana before we head on to the coast. Thanks again for joining us. Stay tuned as we continue our time in Montana, boondocking on national forest land for the first time, and visiting Kootenai Falls and Swinging Bridge. Our Montana adventures were just too much for one video. Make sure to subscribe and hit the notification bell so that you're notified the next time we release a travel video. See you soon! Und wir danken auch unsere deutsche Familie und Freunde fürs Zuschauen.
Down here.
Yep.
Echo!
Echo.
Echo!
Echo. Echo.
Looks like we have a sleepy little boy. He's gonna be awake all night.
Whoa! Don't fall in.